So after many years, I finally bought a Thule cycle carrier for the back of the car. And we've had a number of things over the years to take bikes with us, but finally shelled out some money and bought this Thule Velo Compact 927. It's basically a 3-bike carrier that fits on the back of the tow bar. I think it's tiltable, it's lockable as well, so there's some slightly cheaper ones of these around that you can unclip, but this one's lockable as well. And yeah, it's a bit of a large beast. I don't know where I'm going to put this in the carriage, but there we go. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Lots of bits and pieces. Looks like I'm going to have to read the manual to see how it goes together. And yeah, I better get on with it. Okay, so one of the things is that the Thule carrier comes with its lights, running board and everything built in, but it's a 7-pin connection, and if you've got a 13-pin hookup like we have for towing the caravan, you'll need to buy one of these adapters. So once this is open, you can push that out, and then this little connector lifts up, and you put it back on, and then you just lock it into place like that. And then when this tightens up, it holds that in place. So one of the things on this model as well is that each one of these clamps here, it also has a key and is lockable, as well as the main hitch lock down the bottom here. Okay, I've had a few issues trying to get this onto the tow hook. Not as straightforward as I was expecting. I've had a bit of faffing around with it. On the bottom where the tow hook connects, you've got this plastic thing. It didn't really connect all the way in. It seemed to be getting in the way of the tow hook fully connecting, so I've just taken that off and just adjusted it, and it's clipped down. One thing I did notice is it does like to be perfectly level, and then the hitch lock goes down. So we've now got that secured. Also, we've got in here, we've got this where you can push down on here, and the bike will tilt as well if you need to open the boot. So I think this just clips back in place like that. The other bit which keeps falling off is it's got this little clip here. It's got this little clip here, so you can clip on your electrics out of the way, which this cable does get in the way when you're trying to hitch it up. So yeah, so that's all set up. Now I think I just need to get the bikes on it and get the registration plate and must put the license plate on, and I think we're good to go. So a couple of things I noticed about this. Some things I like, some things I don't like so much. So one of the little things we've got down here is obviously all secure, and you've got this little ratchet mechanism to make sure those wheels fit in place. Another area that we've got here are these support bars, and these hold things in place fairly well. These are actually locked, so no one can undo them and take the bikes off there. The only thing is if you look at the struts and spars going across, there's not a lot of room. So I had to put the smaller bike on here first so that the middle one would then fit across. We do have room for another one with a big arm that comes out, but I think I'll need to perhaps reposition that on the frame
because I'm not sure that's going to go over the top of my bike here, or some other size bikes. But yeah, so it's fitted though, works well. Let's just get the bikes down, open the boot and push that down, and then they just come down like that. So you can now open the boot of the car. Oh, I've locked the car. You can't open the boot of the car. But they're just like that, and then you could just lift them up and they click back in place. Like that. Hey presto. Okay, so, well, time to go get some riding done.